Sure, to do more. Okay, so Eden Joy, everybody, committed to producing all natural, delicious vegan food products for the health of families in Jamaica. Recently won a big award too. I'm going to ask Ellerine to tell us about that because I don't want to, steal her thunder. Ellerine Turner-Price is the founder of Eden Joy Whole Foods, and she joins us this morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Tell us about the award. Let's start there.
All right, okay. So this is the Nicola Gordon-Rowe Award for the Buy Jamaican Product of the Year.
Ooh. And you were awarded that at the JMEA
Awards.
Fantastic.
Jamaica. I'm still on the moon.
And what's the criteria for that? So the Buy Jamaica Product of the Year, is that the one that's bought the most? Or
Your products have to be at least 99% Jamaican. And really and truly, my products are 100% Jamaican. And I connect with farmers everywhere in Jamaica so I can get the things I need. I put farmers to work so they can produce the things we need. Because listen, I believe in Jamaican food.
Yeah.
I believe in Jamaican farming provisions. I believe in that. And I believe that we have everything we need here to heal our bodies.
Right here.
Right here. And you know what else, Simone? Jamaicans, we don't have to go to take the plane to get real, authentic, elegant vegan food that heal our bodies. All we have to do is just stick around long enough in our own little country here and just get the know-how.
Your journey intensified 9 years ago, but
yes.
The business is 22 years.
22 years.
Tell me how you started. What was the catalyst for starting 22 years
22 years. You know what is funny? I have a religious background that sets the tone for my holistic approach to everything. Although I was raised in Southeast St. Elizabeth in a little farming community called Seaview, and my parents were simple people. They believe in eating simple, just everything. We lived a very simple, low-income lifestyle, really. And they were farmers. And they raised us in a certain way. Eat your food as healthy as you possibly can.
From the land.
Yes. And so that kind of grew with me. And then when I got to a certain stage, of course, coming to Kingston and getting exposed to all that and getting this whole religious background and everything, one day, I produce everything for my house. When it comes to, we try to make everything at home, really. I can't tell you it's the easiest thing. Give me a break. No, it's not the easiest
worth it
thing.
in the long run.
Yes.
For your health. And
yes. And so 22 years ago, I was actually 7 months pregnant with my youngest daughter.
Okay.
And I thought, boy, I could hardly find things to eat. And I was there saying, how am I going to feed this child and feed my body and keep going? And then because I had this kind of holistic approach to things, I thought, you know what, I'm going to start experimenting and just making everything. And I had not exposed my older daughter to animal products and that kind of thing. And she had real terrible allergies. And I said, you know something, man, I have to clean this out. And I started researching and reading. And then I just started experimenting. And then listen, there's another thing where a lot of people, sometimes I got so intense about it that I would just go to my bed and just dream something, and I wake up and I have my notes. I have 22 years of notebooks.
Wow. Well, it has won you an award, so keep writing, Ellerine, and keep dreaming. 9 years ago, though, your life changed. You were diagnosed
with breast cancer.
With breast cancer.
Yes.
How did that change or adjust the journey, if at all?
It did. In fact, it sort of placed me on this mission mode where I went to a natural lifestyle hospital in Georgia, Wuchi Pines, and they actually helped with my healing naturally. Of course, there were other traditional medicine, but it was largely a natural, holistic approach. But let me tell you, when I went there, and I kind of just got a 360 vision of what really is happening with people, especially women. And we are the ones who are just always not taking care of ourselves because we are taking care of everybody else. So that kind of just sunk into me, and I'm like, you know something? When I was going through it all, I just made a promise to God, and I said, listen, Father, it's you and I in this thing. You see, when I'm done with this, every single woman that meets me must get a word that she's to take care of herself, and cancer must not be named in her history. I don't want anybody else to go through what I went through. Suffice it to say, I still have 2 breasts, you will notice.
God.
I had a beautiful tummy tuck when I had cancer. So I tell everybody, listen, it's a blessing. I had a real nice tummy tuck, and I still have 2 wonderful breasts. You know what I mean? But
a thriving business, because it gave you another push.
Yes.
Momentum, motivation.
Sometimes I used to do it 5 days a week. These days I do it 3 because, of course, I'm not getting any younger. But it has intensified. People come from the 14 parishes of Jamaica to get a nutrition chart, or to
tell us about that aspect of the work. I have about 2 minutes left. So people come to you, and you literally like...
I work out a nutrition chart.
Cool.
And then, especially women with these kind of issues, and I work out how to eat in a holistic way. And I make the products so that you don't have to run around trying to find them. We make about 100 odd different products.
That's
just
crazy.
According to the needs, right?
Wow.
But cheese has always been one of those that people can't let go. Mac and cheese. And so we just developed sweet potato mac and cheese. And it has no milk. It has, and we also have cream cheese. We have different types of cream cheese. We have plain cream cheese that you can use for your cheesecakes. And we have,
vegan pumpkin soup, vegan black bean soup, vegan hot, what's that, carob tea?
Yes.
Vegetable and cabbage soup?
Yeah.
And you make all of these from scratch?
Yes, in my own little factory at 79 Manchester Avenue in Maypen.
This is so cool, Ellery. Lentil bean stew,
yes,
red pea stew, lemon passion, these are what now? Chickpea omelette.
Asham, the good old time asham.
Asham.
Yes.
Oh my God.
And they are flavored.
Wow. Carrot juice mix, beetroot juice mix, cassava dumpling, just add water, vegetable bouillon cubes, turn cornmeal mix. I love it. Molasses powder. This is fantastic.
This is Jamaica.
This is
fantastic. We have good food here.
So where are your outlets, or do you just sell?
All right. So Things Jamaican. Of course, ideally by Jamaican.
Of course.
Things Jamaican in Devon House and at the airports. You can get all our products there. They were one of our first outlets, and they still continue to be. And we do a lot of catalog shopping. So people pick up a catalog, and then, or they go on the website, EdenJoyNaturalFoods.com, and you send us an email or you give us a call, and you can journey down there, or you can just place your order, and you can do in this day and age, you can just send in your payments, and we send
the box of love to you.
Wow. You understand me.
Boy, this is so great. I mean, born out of love and fueled later on by even more passion. And helping other people, which is what it's really about. Because if you don't do that in your life, what is your life?
And I'm satisfied doing that.
Yeah, for sure.
Despite the fact that I'm educated to a certain extent, this is where I get most joy.
Well, let's get some joy with Eden Joy. So where do we find you online?
EdenJoyNaturalFoods.com. That's my website.
Naturalfoods.com.
And if you want to come to the store, it's 79 Manchester Avenue in Maypen.
Okay.
That's Denby, just up from the hospital.
And this is for folks who, like Ellery, would have gone through their own challenges with breast cancer or any other kind of illness like that. But also if you just want to eat healthily, and get your body in check so that it lasts.
I brought some samples.
You brought samples for us?
Yes.
Awesomeness.
This is a real nice, I made cream cheese panini, and by the way, it's not cooked. So if you enjoy raw food, you would love it.
Right.
And the panini is actually flaxseed and oatmeal bread, and it's absolute raw.
Holy power, going at them things here. You know, folks, go and visit the website. We have to go. Ellery.
Yes.
Thank you so much
Thank
for being
you
here. And
too,
we're so glad you won your fight.
Yes!
Yes! Celebrating her and all our cancer survivors and fighters this morning. Founder of Eden Joy Whole Foods, Ellery Turner Price. After the break, Laura Fung showcases her art. We'll be right back.